Okay, so in this class, we are going to discuss about switch statement. It is also one of the type in conditional statement. Okay, so already in the previous video, we have discussed about if conditional statement. And in this video, we are going to discuss about switch statement. Okay, it is also a kind of conditional statement. What is this conditional statement? Based on conditions or criteria or cases, if certain block of code or certain line of code is executed, then that we call it as that statements we call it as conditional statement. And already we have discussed about conditional statement. Now we are going to see what is this switch statement. What's the necessary of the switch statement in C program. Okay, so previously we have discussed about so many subtypes in if statement where we can implement all those subtypes in switch case. And what is the necessity of switch case? As you can see the statement, the definition for switch statement. Instead of writing many if-else statement, you can use this switch statement to write all the block of code based on conditions. Okay, so instead of writing many if-else statement where we can write the condition, okay, using this switch case with lesser lines of code. As you can see at the left side, we have a syntax. So this is a structure of a switch case program. Okay, what is the structure? We have switch keyword. We have a switch keyword, switch followed by the expression. This is nothing but, okay, this is nothing but the case that will be checked with the condition that is given inside. This expression will be checked with each cases that is given inside the switch case. Okay, so the switch expression is evaluated, or the switch expression is matched with all the cases that is written inside the switch case. Okay, and the value of the expression is compared with the values of the cases. Okay, and the value of expression will be compared with the value of each cases. As you can write so many cases inside the switch statement, and each case will have a break statement. Okay, so in switch case, there is a consideration of executing the statements. At a time, it will execute only one case. Okay, at a time, it will execute only one condition. Okay, so initially what it will do, the expression values will be compared with each cases, and the match case block of code only be executed. Okay, remaining cases will remain unexecuted. Okay, the remaining cases or remaining block of code will not be executed. Only the expression, okay, only the matched case, okay, only the case value that is matched with the expression value be executed. Only the value of the case that is matched with the expression value be executed. The remaining cases value will not be executed. Fine. So the switch case expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared. The value of expression will be compared with each case. And if there is a match, the associated block of code only be executed. And we also have a break statement in each case. Where what is the use of this break? Okay, what is the use of this break statement? It is used to terminate or exit the current switch block. Okay, and we have another one case called default. Okay, what is this default? If none of the cases are satisfied, by default it will execute this one, default case. Okay, let me explain with a example. I'm going to write a C program with switch case to find out the arithmetic operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and modulus operation. Let me open the online IDE. Okay, now I'm going to write. Okay, now I'm going to write a C program for switch case to find out the arithmetic operation. Okay, so to find out the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we need to know two values. Even if you add two values, we have to get that two values from the user. So I'm going to declare ABC and the final one as choice. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to print it as printf, enter the choice. Okay, enter the choice. Fine, printf, if it is 1, okay, /1 meaning addition. Okay, addition. If it is 2 means subtraction. Okay, 3 means addition. Sorry, 3 means multiplication. And if it is 4 meaning, okay, it has to do what? Division. Okay, it has to do division. Okay, so I'm asking the, okay, modulus also we can include. Okay, so I'm asking the user to enter the choice. If the choice is 1, I'm just making it as addition. I'm just going to do addition. If it is 2, I'm going to do subtraction. If it is 3, I'm going to do multiplication. If it is 4, division. 5 means modulus. Okay, now I am going to get the 2 values to perform addition, subtraction and multiplication. Enter 2 values now. Enter 2 values. Enter 2 values. Scanf, I'm going to enter 2 values from the user. Okay, switch off. And also I'm asking, okay, I'm going to get the choice. Okay, I'm going to get the choice from the user. Okay, so what is this choice? This choice will give you, okay, either it can be an addition or it can be a subtraction or it can be a multiplication, division or modulus. So that's why I'm getting the choice from the user, and also I have to get 2 values from the user. Why? Okay, with the 2 values only you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, for getting the choice, if the choice is 1, it has to do addition. If the choice is 2, it has to do subtraction. If choice is 3, it has to do multiplication. If choice is 4, it has to do division. So I need to know the choice, and I'm getting that choice with the variable name choice. Fine. Now I'm going to give the choice inside the switch. Fine. So case 1, since I am going to get an integer expression value from the user. What is the data type of choice? Okay, this is nothing but the expression value, which I'm going to give inside the switch case. What is my expression data type value? That is integer. So I have to give all my cases value as integer. Fine. So I'm going to add, I'm going to declare another one variable, okay, as well C, which I'm going to make it as a temporary variable to store the resultant value. Okay, printf. Okay, addition of C's. Okay, so as I told you, all the cases will have a break statement. C is equal to A minus B. For second case, I'm going to make it as subtraction. Fine. Subtraction. Okay, for K, yeah, break. I forgot the break. Yes, break. Okay, for case 3, I'm going to do multiplication. Okay, so C is equal to A into B. A into B, printf. Okay, printf slash n multiplication. Okay, I'm going to print the value of multiplier. I'm going to print the multiplied value. For case 3, I have to do the multiplication. For case 4, it is division. Okay, so C, yes, C is equal to A divided B. Printf, I need to print the divided value. So slash n, okay, slash n division values, and then break. Okay, I have to include this break statement on all the cases. Okay, as I told you, this cases will be evaluated only once. The remaining cases will not be executed until and otherwise it satisfies the its value. The case value should, okay, until and otherwise the case value should satisfied with the expression value. Fine. Okay, the final case 5 is, C is equal to A modulo B. Okay, printf modulus values. Okay, modulus. Values percentage D comma 0 break. Finally, I need to give the default value. Okay, so default. Okay, enter the choices between. I need to give a default code. So since the choices are from 1 to 5, invalid choice. Okay, I'll make it as invalid. Yes, invalid choice. And the final break statement for default case. Okay, so this how we write code for what? Switch case. So what code I have written here, I'm going to check. I'm going to get the choices from the user. If the choice is 1, I have to do addition. Choice 2 means subtraction. Choice 3 means multiplication. Choice 4 means division. Okay, since my expression data type is integer, I have to give integer value for the cases. Case 1. Okay, when the case is 1, when the expression, the choice value is 1, it has to perform case 1. When the choice value is 2, it has to perform case 2. When the choice value is 3, it has to perform case 3. If the choice value is 4, it has to perform the case 4. If the choice value is 5, it has to perform case 5. So this how it will execute the cases in switch statement. Now let me run this code. So here it's asking about the choice. Now I'm going to give the choices 5. Enter two values. I'm going to give 10 and 5. Okay, see the modulus value is 0. What is the modulus value? It will give you the reminder value. Okay, let me run it again. Okay, now it will ask about, now I'm going to give the choices 3. Okay, so for the choice 3, it will do the multiplication. So I'm going to give the value as 3 and 5. So the multiplied value was 15. In case I'm going to run it again, in case if I'm going to give the choice value as 10, okay, that is actually not the correct value, because the choices values are from 1 to 5. If I give the value 10, what it will display? It will display the statement that is given in the default statement. If I give the value, the choice value as 10, that is not at all matched with any one of the case, then it will give you the output as invalid choice. Okay, so this is how the switch statement will work in conditional statement. Hope you understand the concept of